Hello, all of our religious education families and our kids in grades 1 through 5. I wanted to remind you and invite you to come to our Zoom meeting tomorrow. We're having our religious education Zoom 6:30 to 7:30 on Wednesday night. This is week 5, and we're going to be talking about a very special saint, one that is really close to my heart. And his feast day will be Thursday, October 22nd. Here's a painting of him. This is Saint Pope John Paul II. What an amazing, great man. And one of the things I love that he taught us is, don't be afraid. Those were the first words he said after he was elected Pope. He came out and met all the people in Vatican Square, and he began by saying, "Be not afraid." What a great message, and what a great thing for us to think about. We're going to talk more about that and the virtue of courage that helps us to do the right thing, even if we feel afraid. So I hope you can join us tomorrow. We're going to have another great meeting, and I look forward to seeing you. God bless your day, and see you tomorrow.